What's up, guys? Today we're trying food from Greek Eatery in Winter Springs, Florida. Let's go try some chicken tenders. Go in the car.
All right, so let's open up the food and see. Ooh, move your hand, let me see.
Why does this look so good?
What do you think? Out of 10.
I think it's gonna be like a 9.
Okay.
Wow! Tastes pretty plain.
Okay, need some salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stayed in there for the salt.
All right, no, Liam, stop stuffing your face.
Oh, okay. The chicken looks like a triangle. Looks like a star, but its arms got torn off.
It's perfect. Ready? What do you think?
Let's go through that. It's very crispy. The flavor I'm getting, it tastes really good.
Good. Are you gonna eat it all?
Yes, I'm eating this in the car.
No.
It was good. It was a lot of food. I got full pretty quick. I underestimated how small my stomach. I underestimated how big of a meal this was.
So out of 10, how was this meal?
9. I was right in the beginning. Yippee.